Welcome back to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're bringing you a unique chicken recipe that's perfect for your next evening gathering. Whether you're looking for the perfect bite to pair with your favorite drink or a dish the whole family will rave about, let's dive into this mouth-watering creation. First, heat up some olive oil or coconut oil in a pan, and then drizzle a touch of honey. See how the oil and honey come together? It's the perfect start to an irresistible dish. Next, arrange 500 grams of chicken winglets like this. Once everything's in, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and chili powder to taste. If you love spicy food as much as I do, feel free to go a little heavier on the chili powder. It's all about personalizing the flavor. Now, add 3 cloves of chopped garlic and give it all a good stir. The aroma already tells you something amazing is happening. Next, pour in half a cup of soy sauce and keep stirring. This is where the flavors start to blend beautifully. Finally, add 1.5 cups of beer, just like this. It's the secret ingredient that takes this dish to the next level. Cover it up and let it cook on low heat for 30 minutes. Trust me, the magic happens in these next few moments. Just look at that! Juicy, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. Can you imagine the reaction when you serve this to your guests or family? Now it's your turn to give this recipe a try. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more amazing recipes, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any variations you come up with. See you again! Goodbye!